The Tech Fixr will show you how to return to personal Instagram account on Instagram. So if you converted your account to a professional account and now you want to switch back to personal account, follow these simple steps and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open your profile and tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on Switch Account Type and select Switch to Personal Account. Switch to Personal Account. And after that, your account will be converted to personal account again. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.